Welcome to the interview. Can you tell me about yourself?
Okay, thank you, sir, for the opportunity. Introduce myself. My name is Maria Magdalena Bangun. I was born in Batam. I have experience 2 years in the Pegasik Electronic Indonesia.
You can accept it. Then what about the experience you have? Can you explain it?
Okay, thank you, sir. I will explain my experience for 2 years. The first years of my experience in the field of assembly, the 2 years I have experience in soldering process.
What about the salary? How much salary do you expect if we join this company?
I think with the minimum wage salary of Batam City of 4.989.600 rupiah is enough, sir.
Okay. Do you have any question to this company?
I think I don't have any question, but it's clear.
Thank you for being willing to do interview to next steps.
Okay, thank you, sir. I really hope to be a part of the company. Excuse me, sir.
Welcome.